Cardinal Base. Dark Storm. One Devout. Come on, lag's terrible. Absolvers, 5. 4 controllers. Let's do it. Updated version. Let's kill ourselves. Just getting rid of the air. Just take out the air a little bit at a time. Just kill whatever you need to kill. Don't worry about the buildings. You got to kill them all to win the base, but you can get them later. The more that we can get rid of the air, the better. All right, make it easy on ourselves. Okay, lag. I have no idea where my troops are. Whenever lag hits, it gets to be ridiculous. Let's see what we can find over here. There's no right and wrong way. You can do it any way you like. This is just one way to do it. Let's get rid of these two guys. All right, let's bring in the troops. Put them about there. Let's take out one more. Here he comes. That's good enough. Lag is just killing me like crazy. All right, get them all together. Now, let's take out that so it doesn't kill anybody. All right, bring them back. Right there's good. Now let's get rid of the Cardinal. Sometimes the air comes. When the air comes, just avoid him. Let's get the Cardinal. Come on, Mr. Cardinal, get in here. Well, that doesn't usually happen. But when you make a video, always get something. Minor damage. All right, let's take out these two guns and we'll kill everything else. All right, Mr. Lag, stop holding me up. That's it. And we'll get some thorium because we got everything else we needed. All right, go and do likewise.